Knowledge, wisdom, experiences, sharing is good life. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Subscribe now for more knowledge and informative videos. Namaste. Hope everyone are doing good. My name is Anand. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn. No. We are not going to learn today. We are going to discuss and you are going to confirm whether insurance is necessary or not. Let us go into the video with the examples, practical examples. Nowadays everyone would have been experiencing a new car, purchasing a new car, purchasing a new bike. In that you have purchased a new car or a new bike or any motor vehicle, but you have denied the insurance. No one will sell any vehicle without insurance. But for an example purpose, we will think that you have denied the insurance. Okay, after taking the vehicle, after having a long drive, some puja work, some friends, everything, you return to the house little bit late. In the meantime, someone have been parked a car in your parking place whom you don't know. So you thought of, okay, let us keep my vehicle outside you have parked, and next day morning when you come, there is no car. You have been shocked. Where is my car? You called your watchman, others, neighbors, everyone. You inquired and everyone told that we don't know, sir. So you have been searched some this street, other street, CC footage, something, everything, but you have not find anything. So at last you have informed the police. As per the statistics, motor cars theft is the least handled cases. So, now you tell me whether insurance is necessary or not. Coming to this, I want to ask you another question. Is your life less valuable than a car or a motor vehicle? Think the necessity of insurance. Coming to the example number 2. Watch below the video. Watch the video. In this video, because of a mistake of a two-wheeler, coming lorry steered to this lorry and hit this person. What is the family position of him if his spouse is also a non-working spouse? Assume he would have been renting in a house which is having a rent of 10,000 and his kids are been studying around in a school or college around 80,000 per year, and every month his household expenditure will be around 15,000 per month. How would she able to manage that expenses? What is this family status if anything goes wrong? Think the necessity of insurance. I think many of you have been still now would have recognized the necessity of insurance. Coming to the video number 3, example number 3. This is a live example which one of my friends' relative has been faced. He went to one of the relatives' house, other state. He thought of pouring some water in the plants. So he carried a bucket to pour a water. So he started pouring water to the plants. Suddenly a dog came and bited him. The dog catched him around very tightly with a lot of depth. It is around 2 meters. After inquiring, he found that the dog had laid kids there, small puppies. The dog thought that he came to kill that puppies or he take that. So dog got very angry and he catched him. He was being hospitalized and he was being charged around 2 lakh rupees. Unfortunately, he is not having any insurance. He had sold all the gold which he had been reserved for his kids' marriage. He had sold all the gold, all the reserves which the savings he had done, everything has been sold and he was been bedridden around 2 months. So you would think the necessity of health insurance. Many of them will assume that government, we are having white cards, some other benefits from the government, so government will take care. What if you are in another state? Think and tell us what is the necessity of insurance. Now you confirm me whether insurance is necessary or not. Coming to the example number 4. In this example, the person is having a insurance. He is my relative only, and he had been got some neck pain here. He was being neglected, like taking some painkillers, approaching some medical shops. He was been taking like that regularly. Due to COVID, he was avoided to go to a hospital also. So after some days, he was in a situation, he was unable to pick a pin which fallen on the floor. So the family has pressurized him to go to the hospital. Immediately they have taken to the hospital. After carrying all the reports, doctor has done some X-ray report, MRI scan, everything. Doctor was shocked to see the pus and the infection formed backside of the bone. So doctor advised he warned them to join immediately on treatment and the process of the operation. And he had given an estimation around 4 lakhs. So he was been immediately he informed to the insurance company. Insurance company has started the claim process, and insurance company has paid around 3.8 lakhs. And next day he was being operated. The operation, the doctor has taken around 5 hours. He was been went to operation hall around 2:30 and he was been back around 7:30. So you can think how much serious operation is. If he would have not been taken the insurance, he would taken time to arrange that money, and he would have been diluted all his assets, and he would have been some more pressure under the how to arrange it money. He would have been lot of pressure because of the insurance, availability of insurance. He have been operated, and the claim process was been on a cashless hospital. So insurance can paid around 3.8 lakhs. So you confirm and you fix whether insurance is necessary or not. Many people will think that I paid the insurance for health insurance, but once the year is completed, I have no returns and I have not benefited on the health insurance. Never think like that. Think on a long run. For example, if you pray from a 30, everyone will get any type of illness or any mishap which was been in his lifetime. Every year you are paying the insurance which will be helped at that time. So never ever make that policy lapse. You renew it on time. It will definitely 101% it will help you in your tough situations. If you like the video, if you got any knowledge from this one, kindly subscribe, like and share to all your friends, family, so that everyone will know the importance of insurance in their life and let them be secure. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. In our next video, we will see when you purchase a policy, what are to be considered in the policy copy. Remember, in our last video, in the insurance definition, it was been defined as insurance company will cover listed in the policy document only. So we will discuss in the next video, and we will learn in that video what should be considered while taking a policy. Thank you all. Thank you for your time and support for our subscriptions and all everything. Thank you.